This is lock number 2 by unknown, or nobody knows who made it. That's the bidding. Okay, so to try to get into it, I'm going to use Law Lock Tools. Top of the keyway, 47 thousandths, and the number 3 from the Reaper set. Nothing on 1. I guess it would help if I was on the pin, huh? Okay, so I got that one up. Number 3. 4. 2. 3. 4 maybe. So there's 5. 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's open. Number 1, when I pushed up on number 1, it was open. But I hung up on something, so I just had to let a little tension off, and it went. But that's number 2 by unknown.